Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, June the 11th. I'm finally here to announce that the petitions with regards to the initiative are here. We got about 200 in this afternoon. It is a 3-page petition. First page is the petition itself for the actual signatures. There's a sworn affidavit that has to be notarized by the circulator of the petitions. We do have notaries here at the PLEA office, so if you want to bring them in and get them notarized here, you can do that. The second 2 pages are the initiative itself for people to read should they choose to. We also are going to be handing out a instruction sheet that kind of tells you the rules and how to go about getting the petitions and who can actually sign the petition and be a valid signature, which is very critical and important. So they're here. We're having 2,000 petitions printed at Costco Business as we speak. They should be here tomorrow morning. And so the petitions are available for pickup on June the 12th, 2014 here at the PLEA office. I want to thank everybody for their interest and for their willingness to participate. We've had officers, many people, supporters from the community, officers' wives and families that are waiting on these petitions, and we thank you for sticking with it. Again, we wanted to do it right versus do it fast. We retained an election attorney, one of the best election attorneys in the state, that helped, that drafted this initiative, and we wanted to make sure that we got it right. There have been some questions as to why we did not go with the referendum. And frankly, it was predicated upon legal advice. There were some pretty significant legal hurdles that we would have needed to get over in order to do a referendum, and we just didn't feel that that was worth the risk in terms of being able to get that done. The other, that was the reason why we decided to focus, kind of shift focus a little bit to the other major issue, and that is the critical short staffing of the Phoenix Police Department. This we clearly heard was an issue at the council meetings. Like we say, Public Safety Act begins with officer safety, and that's why we went this direction. There is a anti-retaliation clause in the initiative, the compensation protection, and that was put in there because frankly we don't think that it's right that you, the Phoenix police officers, have to pay for the necessary minimum staffing of the Phoenix Police Department. So come on in and get your petitions, and if you have questions, feel free to call the office or myself, and we'll be able to help you. The other issue, of course, I want to thank everybody for the response that we got from the PAC contribution mailing that we sent out right after the council meetings. We got a tremendous response. Very important that we're able to participate in the political process. I think that that's become more and more evident with this latest events. And as always, I'm going to thank people for making the donation of the leave time, and again remind you that later this summer you'll get a additional 7-hour vacation contribution for as a result of the release time being returned to the individual members. And again, we're going to be sending out a mailing asking for that time donated as well, so that we're able to continue to provide representation to the membership as well as conduct the business of the association. So thank you again, and have a good day.